friends, it's Beth from Rekindle Blessings. Let's make a really cute Easter decor piece. We're going to take this bunny that I got from, I believe I got them from Michael's, and I'm going to paint them. They were all white. We're going to paint them gray, and we're going to add some pink in the little ears here. We add a little white on the chest, and now we're going to put a little white on the tail, add a little more white to that chest. And you guys, look how cute this is. I love these bunnies. It reminds me of the little bunny piggy banks that we used to get when I was a kid that had the flocked on them. These are flocked as well. And I'm going to add some pink for the nose. We added a little bit of white there, or black there for the little eyes. And I kind of threw this to the side and decided to make a bow while I was waiting for my glue tool to heat up. And anyway, we're going to go ahead and add some of that chiffon in there, and we're just going to tie this off. This little bow kind of goes with the spring look we're going for, and this has got some little bees in it. It's really cute ribbon. I got it at, I believe I got it at Hobby Lobby in the spring shop. Anyway, we're going to cut down this foam, and we're going to stick it down inside this watering can. You guys, the watering can, I do not remember where I got it. I believe it came from Hobby Lobby, but I'm not 100% sure. I've had it for 2 or 3 years. Anyway, I'm adding some foam in the bottom of that, and then I decided that I was going to do some glue for the nose and the eyes on the bunny. So we added some hot glue on there. And I'm just kind of fiddling with it. And we're going to paint those black again. That kind of makes them bulge out like little bunny eyes do. And I don't know what made me think to do this. I just felt like it needed something more. And it just hit me. And I thought, oh my gosh, how cute would that be? So then I'm adding more pink to the nose. And it just kind of makes them look more realistic. Which, I mean, you're really not going to get this bunny to look super realistic. But, you know, it just adds a little something to it. And then I added some white over the eyes to give it that glare. And we got a little bit of pink on the nose. Anyway, we're going to add these little yellow tulips that came from, the tulips came from Michael's. Anyway, I decided to add some paper towels down in there because there wasn't enough foam. So I added the paper towels just so that it would hold that moss up. And then we added the moss to the top of it. I ran out of glue and I had to go get another glue tool to let it heat up. Anyway, we're going to add that moss, and then we're going to put the bunny back on and add the tulips. These little tulips, like I said, came from Michael's. All the flowers that I used today came from Michael's, except for the 2 that I put in the front, and those came from Ollie's, I believe. This set right here came from Ollie's with the sunflower in it. And I have another small set that's got some yellow ones in it as well that came from Ollie's right there. Those there came from Ollie's. But I put 2 sets from Michael's and then 2 sets from Ollie's. This is another set that came from Michael's. We're just adding these in here. Look how cute this is, you guys. I love how this turned out. I love all the yellow. Such a beautiful spring color. And then we're going to add our bow in right here in the front. And you guys, look how precious this is. This is going to look adorable on any table there is. But just so you know, you guys, I added a bow to her head. You can see it there in the picture. Isn't she precious? I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. I truly enjoyed making this, and I hope you guys are all having a great day. Do me a favor, share this out, and if you don't follow, follow along. Talk to you soon.